Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set screen lock pattern password for phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to lock screen. Then click on screen lock type. And here select pattern. Draw the pattern that you want to set. Click continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify. Click confirm, and it is asking you to select whether to show content or hide content. I always use show content and click on done, and click on here turn on remote unlock. Okay, by turning remote unlock, you can unlock your phone remotely through the Find My Mobile website, even if you forget how to unlock it or lose your device when it is locked. Okay, the lock information you set for remote unlock is stored. So if you would like to go for it, choose turn on, otherwise cancel it. Okay, now screen lock pattern password is set. Now put lock in your phone and try to unlock your phone with your pattern set you now. Yes, it's working very well. In this way, you can easily set screen lock pattern password for your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.